Hey everyone, today we're going to explore how to set up Brevo's autoresponder for email marketing. If you're new to Brevo, don't forget to check out the free trial link in the description below. For those who are already set up, just log in and follow along. First, click on Automation. On this page, you'll see all your previous automations and a button in the top right corner labeled Create an Automation. Click on it. Now you have two options. You can create an automation from scratch or use a built-in automation depending on your requirements. Since I need an autoresponder for a welcome message, I will use a built-in automation. Here we have an entry point where our automation will start when a contact joins or is added to our list. Then we can add a delay of time according to our preference, followed by an action to send a welcome email. Next, I will click on Use this automation. Here we need to choose a list that someone will join, and then we can set a delay in minutes, hours, days, weeks, or months. After that, click Next. Now choose the email template you want to send. Once you've completed that, click on Activate Automation, and your autoresponder will start working. Hopefully, this video will help you. Before we end, I want to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to make over $80K in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, just click the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching.